Did you know when you take EE Broadband with Apple TV 4K, it comes with inclusive BT Sport? Watch as much football, rugby, UFC, MotoGP as you want on your Apple TV or your EE mobile. Setting it up couldn't be easier. You just follow a few simple steps on BT's website. We'll send you a link which will take you to the first BT page. Enter your EE mobile or tablet number and postcode. We'll then text you a 4-digit PIN. Enter it on the validation page and click Continue. You'll be asked to fill in your details. The email address you'll use will be the username of your account that allows access to BT Sport. This is known as your BT ID. Set a password in the next window and set up your security questions. Hit Continue. You'll see a summary of your information. Now, check the email address you used for an activation request email. Click the link in the email and answer the security questions. Enter your BT ID email address and password. A message will confirm you're all set up. Now, download the BT Sport app from your App Store, log in with your BT ID, and start watching.